Okay, in that case, we can move on to MobileNet. Any questions about MobileNets? About the computational cost of a convolution, how depth-wise convolutions are going to reduce the cost, and in terms of the results and the architecture?
Can you go over again how depth-wise convolution is different from standard convolution?
Yes. So for depth-wise convolution, you have a filter that is going to get multiplied by your input, and then you're just going to do summation over that multiplication. And it's going to happen channel-wise. I think it's going to be extremely clear if you look at the math. When you're doing a kernel, a usual kernel, and multiplying it by or convolving it with your input features, the place that you're convolving is over I and j. These are your pixels. But then there is going to be a matrix vector multiplication going on. And that's why you have a summation over m. Okay, and then you have n versions of that. But here, there is no summation going on over your m anymore. And basically, you can think of your m as your n. So it means that you have a filter, and then you are multiplying it by the corresponding channel, and then adding things up. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
So for a standard convolution, you have more dimensions. You have the dimension of your filter or your filter size in the space. You have n filters, and then you have m being the dimension of every single filter. So that's just going to give you a cube that you're striding over your input. But now the other dimension is going to be 1, and here you're going to have m filters. So everything is going to get multiplied channel-wise or depth-wise, and hence the name. So depth here corresponds to channel. Any other questions? So was this clear? Okay, perfect. And basically, you are getting rid of that matrix vector multiplication that is going on. You don't do that anymore. Everything is going to be a dot product. And in terms of computationally speaking, you are getting rid of n here. And one-by-one convolutions are going to get rid of dk by dk. Okay, perfect. So nothing complicated, MobileNets. These are just trying to make things more efficient